Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have this visual ear spoon. So it's pretty interesting. Let's check it out, see what we get inside. So inside the box, you get kind of like a graphic of the spoon. That's pretty neat. And then you get the operating instructions. So here's the spoon itself. So, give you an idea. It's got a cool little scoop thing that's on there. And got a little protective cover. And we have its charging cable. So it's a USB, no, it's a micro SD charging cord. So just give you kind of an idea. So you can charge that up, and the charging port is on the back of the spoon itself. Again, you get a couple extra little tips that come in there. And I know on the inside there's some other little gizmos. You got a little cleaning brush that comes with it. And then this little accessory pack has a bunch of different cleaning tools for your ears and stuff. So, and you know, always be safe when you're using anything in or near your ear. So it has an app. So let's open up my phone, and what we are going to do is we are going to scan the QR code. So it's going to basically, we'll open that in browser, if you follow along, and then we'll download it. Then we're looking for the Android part. So I actually downloaded this before, but it's the David SU Wi-Fi visible. So you're going to open that, and then it's basically going to have some instructions there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to unhook my light here so we can see my phone a little bit better. Hopefully that makes the contrast a little bit easier to see. So on the back of the ear spoon, you actually have a little power button at the top. So you hold that in for a couple seconds, and you'll see the light turn on. Okay, there it goes. So it's basically activated. You can see that it's got the little light going. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my Wi-Fi settings, and I'm going to look for this pen. So it's going to be basically the Wonshan, WONSHAN, and then mine is a 2689WY. It might be a little bit different on yours. So we're going to connect to that. It says checking quality. And then we're going to go back, and we are basically going to hit video. We're going to put always connect. Hit video again. Actually, I guess you got to hit start first, and then you got to hit the video button on there. But anyway, so that's the end of the spoon, and I am going to slowly put it inside my ear. And one thing, I have a hairy ear. My goodness. But anyway, so that's your spoon to scoop out any like wax or dirt particles that are in there. But it gives you kind of like a really good guide. And I'm going to pull it back out again. But that's pretty cool. And putting it back in and just looking at the video, I will I'll get the video and I will put that in here so you can see. But that's pretty cool. And thank goodness my ears are on the clean side. But anyhow, that is a pretty cool product. Let me hit stop on a video, and then that's going to save into like your gallery on your phone, and then you kind of go from there. But other than that, that is a really cool product. Brian, I'm actually looking for the lid. I put the lid somewhere. I think it's like, oh, here it is. Anyway, just push the power button in. I think it's once. And you got to hold it back in again, and then I'll turn it off for a couple seconds. But yeah, what a cool, neat little product for keeping yourself nice and clean and sanitary and everything else. I think I gotta mount these pieces back here and on the side. Close that box back up again. There we go. And then put the little charging cable on here, the instructions, and then your little graphic. And then you got this cool little visual ear spoon. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.